Welcome back to Scootalong. Guys, I just received my VR-1 helmet today, and I'm gonna do a quick YouTube Shorts video of unboxing. Don't expect too much, I'm just gonna show you. It says it comes a free dark visor included, so yeah, that's nice. The color is red, so let's do it. Let's do it. Unboxing here. Nothing much. Oh yeah, this is the dark visor that comes with it, the free dark visor. Oh, it's a screw on, I can see here if you have a look here. Let me just show you. So it screws in nice. Very useful. Thanks VR. I also got a very nice discount on this helmet. Right, so this is the cover of the helmet. There you go, it's loose. It's a medium, fits me perfectly. I hope so. It's very hard to do this with one hand, guys. Lift me. There's the doggy. Hello, Benji. Hello, Benji. Ayopo. Benji, Benji. He's also wanna know what's in this box. So there's the visor with the sticker. There's the whole helmet, red in color, very nice helmet. Let me show you. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. Peace.